Endoluminal Sciences is developing a medical device which overcomes life-threatening problems of leakage with minimally invasive heart valve implants. The company's novel approach uses a combination of medical engineering and polymer science to build special membranes with programmable expansion capability. Compared to implants without sealing technology on the left, the endoluminal sealing innovation on the right prevents leakage around the minimally invasive heart valve implants in a manner superior to any device currently in clinical trials or on the market anywhere in the world. The technology has received several international accolades, being recognized as one of the top 5 new technologies in structural heart disease at the world's largest conference in interventional cardiology medicine. This device will potentially increase the number of high-risk patients eligible for minimally invasive heart surgery, making open heart valve surgery a thing of the past. The endoluminal team, with work originating at Sydney University, believes the sealing technology will improve outcomes and safety for patients, significantly improve ease of use for doctors, and reduce costs to the health system. Saluda Medical is a Sydney-based startup company developing a groundbreaking implantable device for the treatment of chronic neuropathic pain. The company was spun out of NICTA, Australia's leading ICT research establishment. Using world-first neural recording technology, Saluda's invention differs from other neurostimulation devices. It measures the minute electrical responses from nerves immediately after they've been stimulated to block pain. Existing devices cannot make this measurement and so rely on manual adjustments by the patient. The feedback loop technology keeps pain relief constant, which isn't the case with existing commercial devices. Saluda aims to have most of its electronics in 2 little pods. The company has already trialled its technology with a prototype external stimulator. Results showing it provides improved pain relief more of the time without the need for continuous readjustment by a patient have been presented to key US and European conferences to the acclaim of leading neuromodulation surgeons and academics. Once commercialized, the Saluda device could be used to treat chronic back and leg pain, pain from nerve damage, and in the future help those suffering from migraine, Parkinson's disease tremors, or epilepsy. Moby Drip is a new style of low-cost, highly accurate and portable infusion pump, the first hybrid device to combine the accuracy of an electronic intravenous pump with a low price tag of a disposable pump. Moby Drip is revolutionary in its simplicity and does not require power. The device utilizes a small propellant canister to apply pressure to standard off-the-shelf intravenous saline bags. This means it delivers constant and reliable infusions, and clinical trials have proven Moby Drip is more accurate at supplying antibiotics than traditional ambulatory pumps. The devices are supplied ready for use, making it ideal technology for hospital-in-the-home patients. It's small enough to be worn in a comfortable waist pouch, so they can resume daily activities, taking an active role in their own care, and even, when appropriate, return to work. It will facilitate quicker hospital discharge, resulting in considerable savings for the healthcare system and better outcomes for patients. The device was developed by Moby Life, which started as a joint venture to take ideas and concepts from the University of Newcastle into the medical device industry. HearWorks has produced a novel device called HearLab, a portable system which conveniently attaches to a laptop and can be used in any clinic to conduct complex hearing assessment tests. The Medical Devices Fund grant will help fund the development of the 3rd HearLab module, the Automated Cortical Assessment Test. This new software will provide the world's first automated and totally objective test of hearing thresholds. It's particularly useful for children who are difficult to test because they can't communicate responses to sounds. It involves just 3 small sensors attached to the head. As it's fully automated, the innovation will both decrease the time needed to perform the test and also decrease the skill level needed to administer the test. There is a need for this test in many other areas, such as elderly people who cannot respond behaviourally, typically because of stroke or dementia. The Medical Devices Fund panel has also recommended that a trial be run in New South Wales to test aged people who may be incorrectly being diagnosed with dementia as opposed to being actually deaf. HearWorks, which is the commercial arm of the Hearing Cooperative Research Centre, believes the HearLab test will be welcomed around the world. and will ensure that it's immediately available to people of New South Wales. Elastogen is a clinical stage medical device company that is pioneering elastotherapy, using the human protein, elastin, to medically repair and regenerate the skin. A major focus for this technology is on patients with severe burn injuries who are often left with deep scarring and permanent damage. They have difficulty moving limbs and their skin has no sensation. Elastin is critical for skin to function normally. It enables it to endure constant stress and to be able to stretch and recoil, especially over joints. Elastin also plays a critical role during the wound healing process. Elastogen has worked closely with Professor Weiss and his team at the University of Sydney, and with leading burn surgeons, they've been able to demonstrate that elastin has the potential to improve the deep dermis layer of skin. Using elastin may reduce multiple surgical procedures that burns patients currently have to undergo, and it may result in a significant improvement in the quality and physical properties of the repaired skin, lessening terrible wound contractions. Elastogen has acquired exclusive rights from the University of Sydney to a broad patent portfolio which covers the production, formulation and application of this unique biomaterial. The company is now planning to undertake further clinical studies of this promising technology prior to seeking regulatory approval of the product.